Perfection is not attainable, but if we chase perfection, we can catch excellence. Alluri Sitaramaraju, a revolutionary freedom fighter, remains dear to our hearts even after decades of his demise. We at Sri Prakash seep into the memory of this legend who left to heavenly abode on the 7th day of May 1924. Alluri led the Rampa Rebellion of 1922, during which a band of tribal people and other sympathizers fought in the border areas of the East Godavari and Vishakhapatnam regions of Madras Presidency, in the present-day Andhra Pradesh, against the British Raj. He was referred to as Manyam Veerudu, the hero of the jungle by the local people.
He had an undistinguished education, but took a particular interest on astrology, herbalism, palmistry and horse riding. After his father's death, he grew up in the care of his uncle Ramakrishnam Raju, a Tehsildar in Narsapur in the West Godavari district. He studied at Taylor High School in Narsapur and then moved to Tuni along with his mother, brother and sister. While there, Alluri visited the areas of Vishakhapatnam district and became familiar with the needs of the indigenous people. At the age of 15, he moved to his mother's hometown of Vishakhapatnam and enrolled at Mrs. Avian College. His desire to overcome the colonial presence expressed almost as if it were a millenarian certainty. This was a powerful mixture.
After passing the 1882 Madras Forest Act, there were restrictions on the free movement of tribal people in the forest, prevented them from engaging in their traditional Purdue agricultural system. The changes meant that they faced starvation and exploitative coolie system used by the British government and its contractors for such things as road construction. Alluri adopted aspects of the Gandhian non-cooperation movement such as promoting temperance and the boycott of colonial courts in favor of local justice administered by panchayat courts to attract support. Although the movement died out in early 1922, it had reached the plains area and he had been involved in the propagation of some of its methods among the hill people as a means to raise their political consciousness and desire for change.
Harnessing some aspect of earlier non-cooperation movement and with widespread support among the tribal people, Alluri led raids on police station in and around Chintapalli, Annavaram and Narsipatnam. With his followers, he stole guns and ammunition and killed several British police officers, including 2 near Damnapalli. Alluri was eventually trapped by the British in the forest of Chintapalli, then tied to a tree and was executed by gunfire in a village Koyuru on 7th May 1924. On 9 October 2017, at the request of members of parliament, the Government of India decided to install Alluri Sitaram Raju statue at the presence of Parliament of India in recognition of his work as a freedom fighter and for the welfare of tribal people.